Question number 6 from exercise 2.7. This is the question. In a GP, the ninth term is 32805. In a GP, the ninth term. So we can write it as T9 is equal to 32,805. And sixth term is 1215. Sixth term can be written as T6 is equal to 1215. Then find the 12th term. 12th term we have to find T12. So before writing this, write your Tn formula. Tn is equal to AR power n minus 1. So here n value is 9. So we can write T9 is equal to AR power 9 minus 1 is 8 is equal to 32,805. So write it as equation 1. Next T6 is equal to 1215. So write T6 is equal to AR power n value is 6 now. 6 minus 1 become 5. So AR power 5 is equal to 1215. Write it as equation 2. Now divide equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 is AR power 8 by AR power 5 is equal to 32,805 divided by 1215. When we cancel this, we will get 27. Here A and A get cancelled. While division term, the power should be subtract. So 8 minus 5, 3. So R power 3 is equal to 27. Then R is equal to 3. So here we found the value of R, which is 3. Substitute this R value in equation 2 to get the value of A. So sub R is equal to 3 in equation 2. What is our equation 2? T6 is equal to AR power 5 is equal to 1215. So write AR power 5. A into R value is 3 power 5 is equal to 1215. A into 3 power 5 is nothing but 243 is equal to 1215. Then A is equal to 1215 divided by 243. When we cancel this, we will get 5. So the value of A is equal to 5. Now value of A is equal to 5 and R is equal to 3. Now easily we can find our 12th term, T12. T12 is equal to, we can write AR power n minus 1, which is 12 minus 1 is 11. Now substitute A value is 5 into R value is 3, the whole power 11. 5 into 3 power 11 is 177,147. Multiply these two terms, you will get 885735. 8,85,735. So here the 12th term is the T12 is equal to 8,85,735. That's it. Question number 5 from exercise 2.7. Find the number of terms in GP. They have given some GP format and they ask number of terms in GP. That means number of terms they have given, in which number the answer should be 1 by 2187. First write A is equal to 1 by 3. R is equal to T2 by T1. So write R is equal to T2 by T1. T2 is nothing but 1 by 9 by T1 is nothing but 1 by 3. Do the cross multiplication. 1 by 3 become 3 by 1. So when we cancel this, we will get 1 by 3. So the value of R also 1 by 3 and the value of A is 1 by 3. One more term is given in the question, 1 by 2187. That means they have given the last term 1 by 2187. They have given the Tn value and they asked to find this n value. Okay, let us find what is our Tn formula. Tn is equal to AR power n minus 1. Substitute all the values in this formula. Tn is nothing but 1 by 2187 is equal to A is nothing but 1 by 3. R is nothing but 1 by 3 power n minus 1. We don't know the value of n. That is what we are going to find now. So 1 by 2187 is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 the whole power n minus 1. Bring this term this side. 2187 into, it will become 3 by 1 is equal to 1 by 3 the power n minus 1. When we cancel this, we will get 729. So write 1 by 729 is equal to 1 by 3 to the power n minus 1. We have to convert this 729 in the base of 3. So instead of 1 by 729, we can write 1 by 3 power 6, because 3 power 6 value is 729. So 1 by 3 the whole power n minus 1. I am going to take this 6 as the whole power is equal to 1 by 3 to the power of n minus 1. 1 by 3 get cancelled. Now take the powers alone. N minus 1 is equal to 6. So minus 1 becomes plus 1 while doing a transposition. So 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Then in this geometric progression, the seventh term should be 1 by 2187. The seventh term, T7. That is what our answer.